Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, fuel efficient, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.